Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie syrup. Combine pumpkin puree, sugar, water, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan, then simmer gently until it thickens into a glossy syrup. Stir frequently to prevent sticking and adjust sweetness to taste. Cool slightly before straining through a fine mesh to remove solids, then bottle and refrigerate for up to 2 weeks. Start by tasting as you go and adjusting spices in small increments to build balanced flavor. For a more complex syrup, swap half the sugar for real maple syrup and finish with a teaspoon of vanilla. Consider adding orange peel or a tiny pinch of clove for contrast. If you prefer less thickness, add a little extra water while simmering and remember to cool before storing so flavors meld naturally. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and tips. On another note, quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in the kitchen without a mess, with crisp text and long battery life. It's compact, waterproof, and perfect for recipe collections or cookbooks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Label jars with the date and keep pumpkin pie syrup chilled to preserve freshness and flavor. Use it to sweeten coffee, lattes, or milk, and to glaze roasted nuts or vegetables for an autumn twist. Spoon it over pancakes, waffles, or ice cream for instant seasonal charm. If the syrup thickens in the fridge, warm it gently in a saucepan or microwave and stir until pourable before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.